In this tutorial, I just wanted to show you how you can remove the border of your charts in Microsoft Excel. So here we have a chart showing just the sales for a week for these people, and we have this chart that we want to present, let's just say to PowerPoint or something. And to make it a bit sleeker, we can remove this border that's around the chart. So to do this, we right click on the chart, and then after right clicking on the chart, we go down a bit to where it says Format Chart Area. Okay? And then under Chart Options, which is on the left, you're going to have a few different options: Fill and Border. You're going to want to click Border, and then you can click No Line, and then you can exit out of that. And then as you can see, now our chart just blends into the background a little more because it doesn't have a border. And you can even remove these grid lines too if you want to. So as you can see, now our chart just generally blends into the background a little bit more than without a border. But if you, on the other hand though, you can add a border. So do the same thing, right click, Format Chart Area. Under Chart Option on the left, you see Fill and Border. And you can do solid line, for example, and pick whatever color you want. So let's just say a black border with a, I don't know, let's go crazy. Let's go crazy. I have a 4-point width. Insanity. I know, right? But as you can see, the chart really stands out now. So I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how you can add or remove borders. Like, subscribe, comment if you found this to be useful. On the road to 1,000 subscribers. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.